it's Adyel here and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for this video and I apologize because I'm a little bit sick right now. But today I did the BRATZ challenge and I found this Valentine's heart-inspired BRATZ, and the second I saw her I was like, I have to recreate her. I've had her in my camera roll for like two and a half weeks now, and I've just been waiting for my colored contacts to get in. These colored contacts are by TTDI and you could use code Adyel for money off. But yeah, so I knew I had to film doing my little BRATZ challenge and I'm so excited and in love with how it turned out. So I sped it up and I did a voiceover. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below what you think. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos. It is such a fun time around here. I promise you will not regret sticking around. And if you want to see how I did my BRATZ challenge, then please keep on watching.
Okay, so starting off, I decided to do my brows and my eyes first just because I knew I was going to be working with intense bright colors. So first I'm just starting off with my Gimme Brow to do a basic outline fill-in of my brows, and now I'm just carving them out with concealer and also putting that same Too Faced concealer onto my lids. Then I decided to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette and I took those two like cranberry raspberry colors and I started taking a eyebrow, well not an eyebrow brush, but like a thin brush to comb this product through my brows to do like a rough pink outline. I didn't know how much pink I wanted in my brows yet, so I just did a rough outline while I buffed my concealer onto my lids, and I'm going to go back in with the brows later once the foundation is on to really perfect the brows, because the BRATZ that I did and took inspiration from did have like pinkish toned brows. So now starting off with the eyes, I mainly used the Morphe 35B palette and I just took all the pinks and some of the purples, and the BRATZ had like a hot pink purpley smoky eye cut crease. You guys know the BRATZ dolls, their eyes are a main focus, so I really wanted the eyes to be super bright and super cut, and then of course the winged liner is mainly the focus. So I'm just starting to blend out those pinks and slowly intensifying it more and more. This is my first time playing with color in a while, so I had a lot of fun, but it also did take a little longer than usual just because, you know, when you first pick up color after not working with color for a while, you have to kind of get back into it. Also, pro tip, I notice a lot when I do voiceovers, a lot of things that I do and a lot of weird faces that I make while I do my makeup, but I always smile while I'm doing, as you can see, while I'm doing my eyeshadow, my eyeliner, even my eyebrows, and a lot of things I do, I smile while I do my makeup, and I'm not smiling at myself. I'm simply smiling because it really does help me even out the shape of my eyeshadow, and it helps me to see. And here's also another tip. Taking a big like concealer brush and putting concealer on the inner corners by your nose is really going to help clean up your eyeshadow look. So now I'm just cutting the crease. You guys can just watch, but yeah, a lot of times I just want to make sure things are even, and of course both my eyes are a little bit different, so when I smile I feel like it gives me control and it kind of shows me what the end of the look is going to look like, and in real life I'm normally smiling a lot, so I feel like it just gives me a good guideline. Let me know in the comments down below if you do this too. I feel like I'm so crazy. I'm like the only one that does this. Like I never see people smiling like while they're doing their voiceovers, and I feel so crazy. But now I'm going in with an even lighter concealer because I didn't like how yellow the cut crease looked. I want it to be really bright. And I'm going in with the hot pink and really working it in, blending it with the concealer on the outer edges to really blend and make a seamless cut crease. Now for the eyeliner, I am making it super dramatic and elongated to really mimic the BRATZ doll eyes, and I really wanted this to be the main focus of the look. Of course I wanted the color and the cut crease, but I feel like the liner truly made the look. And now I'm popping on Be Extra Beauty lashes in Icy. Go check out my girl BB and her Be Extra line. Freaking obsessed. And moving on to foundation, I'm just speeding through this and quickly doing my face makeup, concealer, powder, all of that kind of stuff, just so I have the perfect base down to do the rest of the BRATZ doll look. So for my lower lash line, I really wanted to smoke that hot pink color straight onto there. And here I am going back into the brows, really making that color dramatic and making sure that it looks good with the eyeshadow. So now I'm going blush heavy, like blush extreme, like packing that on like no other, even putting it on the nose and everything, just being super pink. And of course I did mascara. Now the hearts. Okay, so this was a struggle for me because I've actually never done like makeup hearts. So first I tried it with eyeshadow, then I tried Too Faced sketch liners. The perfect way to clean up your hearts to mess up is just using your eyebrow brush to use concealer and clean them up. And I found using this little pencil brush with eyeshadow to perfect them and darken them really helped. And the BRATZ had like different colored hearts, so I really wanted to do that as well. I had trouble with placement, and at first I was like, oh no, this is gonna look terrible, I'm gonna have to redo it, but I think I made it work. I really loved how they turned out. And then for lipstick, I went with some Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipsticks. These are some of my favorite vibrant lippies. Sorry, I'm like tongue twisted. But I started with this one color. I will have the name in the description. And then I layered with an extra hot pink. And I didn't line my lips, but of course BRATZ lips I wanted like to overdraw like crazy because lips are a very big focus of BRATZ dolls. And now I'm taking the white Too Faced sketch liner to add white freckles all over my face, and it's just so cute.
So thank you guys so much for watching. I had so much fun doing this BRATZ challenge. Oh my god, now it's time to take a million pictures. I love you all so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.